How to pay with gift cards on McDonald's app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use gift cards in order to pay in McDonald's app. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, you may just download the McDonald's application onto your device, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After that, you may just go to the app and you'll be able to see an interface where you may need to log in into your account. After you are logged in order to go further with the process, unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can use a McDonald's gift card, also known as an arch card, to pay for mobile orders in the McDonald's app. But what you can do instead is you can use your arch card at participating at McDonald's restaurants when ordering at the registered drive-thru or kiosk. So you may just physically go to the McDonald's store and you may use that art card or the gift card in order to get different kind of offers. Unfortunately, there is no such offers online, but you can do that instead. But instead of that, in order to add all the payment methods to the McDonald's app by going to the app, there you just need to go to the more tab section. After that, go to your profile. After going to your profile, just click on payment methods. After that, you may just add or remove your payment details and saving. Just go on with the verification process of adding your payment details, your banking details, and you should be able to add your payment methods and order through the McDonald's app very easily. Or you may also use the following payment methods in the McDonald's app, such as debit or credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal and Venmo. You can also reload your art card by visiting a participating McDonald's restaurant and asking a crew member at the counter, or you may just go online and visit the McDonald's art card reload page, which is easily available in Google. The link is easily available there. You may just go there and reload your art card and get different kind of offers on the McDonald's app. So therefore, just follow those methods and you should be able to use our card or your gift card very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.